We live in this 21st century and we still face certain inequalities. We see people of rural areas mostly that they are more concerned about providing best education to the boys, whereas on the other hand, girls are sent to the government schools. And as soon as these girls grow and attain 20 years of age, they are married to the one about whom they are never asked whether they really want to get married to the man or not. We see that there are certain families where the parents give dowries and provide her girl up to their utmost level, and in return the girl's in-laws are never satisfied and demands more and more, and finally this chain of dowry ends up with sexual, verbal and mental harassments. Now, in spite of this increasing literacy rate every year, we see that if anything awful happens, for suppose any boy or group of boys teases a girl or sexually harasses her, the whole society, instead of punishing the culprit and protesting for the girl, runs behind finding mistakes only in a girl. Now, the biggest issue in all the cases is that we girls, we women are tolerating everything and get ourselves adjusted to things happening around us very happily. Even if we are not happy, we never complain, and neither do we ever try to fight for the justice. Come on, girls, where are you? Where is the inner soul in you which wants endless happiness and rights to enjoy? It's high time now, girls, for all of us to unitedly stand and speak and fight for ourselves, as Vivan provides you a golden platform and gives you an opportunity to come up and speak all your problems that you've been facing. Vivan assures to help you fight against the cruelties that are shown against you.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियाँ, समझना इसको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियाँ निकाल के बना ले इसको शस्त्र तू। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं के ले परीक्षा तेरी। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की ला नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कांप जाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आ जाएगा। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, क्यों तू हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है।